Something's in the wind and it makes you crazy, and it makes you blue. It's a restless feeling, and it's nothing new. Listen to the buzzing of the jukebox and the flies. Sing so full of dishes, you might just let them lie. You might just pour yourself a drink and sit outside a while. He won't miss the whiskey, he knows it's not your style, and he don't care enough to even wonder why. You fight off his fumbling hands with daggers in your eyes. Time sure flies when you're having fun. Wasn't it just yesterday you turned 21? Or does it matter what you might have done had you tried? Those bird dogs in the wire cage are barking at the moon. You turn the covers back and hope the dawn don't come too soon. Draw the shades to keep your dark eyes from the glare of the vapor light. But the sheets are cool and empty, and you won't sleep tonight with a half moon rising in a warm, gusty breeze blowing from the southwest, whispering through the trees. The asphalt beneath the tires makes a hollow whining sound, and it stretches on forever through 1,000 little towns with their stores all dark and silent and their flashing yellow lights. Nobody sees you passing in the fury